MP Kashalong mat President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Pala ula Kyntu ya kaseng Hinyaw National Liberation Council HNLC bakan pensange ni pinkut no ya jingiakren iasuk. Habayakren bakinong to kubor ni kasing baar uba pala ula banjur baka HNLC kariban long kabayaisha na markarai baka shim kala bandan shibun kijingkta. Kum kani karai kala ban kta ya kayok kakot kajela kajing im kibriu bat shibun ki aka hapo kajela. Laban kdo baka HNLC kala pinkut no ya jingiakren iasuk haka pratarik kala lingkot arja arpsau ya kajing IT ya kashithi bapin bina ya kani karai shaka sorkar jela. Ke HNLC kala kado ya kajing bam shimkia jang sorkar ya kimat jingdawa kaseng kum kadaw baka rai ban pinsang no ya kani jingiakren iasuk. Kawai ni kini kimat kadai ben maap no iki kambaman bala pengat ikinong yalam bat kidkhot.
I appeal to HNLC that whatever decisions they are taking is a big decision. It matters to the economy of the state, it matters to life of the people, it matters to so many things within the state. So I appeal to HNLC also to not to just stop the negotiations, continue the negotiations and try to see and convince. If required, they can also put or demand a new negotiators also. So I think it's very important for them also to take it seriously. I request them not to run away from the negotiations, but I request them also to come forward and be more proactive. I don't know what is the reason why all this failure and whom to blame, but I feel that we need peace in Meghalaya, we need peace in the Blue Neutral, and also in the Tatar, the state and the country as a whole.